Hi guys, I hope you are doing very well. Today's video will be all about my very first camera, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80. I've had it for over 3 years now and I've had so much fun with it over that time, especially with bird photography. So that is mainly what this video will be about. Here are just a few of the bird photos I've taken with it over the years. Let's start with the price, which is very good for this camera. You can get it brand new for about $300 on Amazon, but as you can see it changes quite often. Or you can get it for a lot cheaper second hand, of course. Now let's move on to the zoom, which is of course the most important part of any camera used for wildlife photography. Now this camera's lens does not disappoint in that department. It has an equivalent focal length of up to 1200 mm or 60 times optical zoom. That's quite impressive. Here it was used in good light. And here is the photo I got. And here it is in pretty bad light. Again, here is the photo. Now let's talk about the 18 megapixel sensor. For them to have been able to fit such a lens in this small of a size, the sensor needed to be tiny, which basically means more noise in low light, etc. Here's a photo I took when it was fairly dark. Something else that is very important for bird photography is image stabilization. When you zoom in so far, stabilization becomes very important. This camera has optical stabilization and it works amazingly well. And here are some more samples. To conclude, I think this is a great camera for bird photography. And even though I didn't talk about it in this video, that's definitely not the only thing it's good for. And I would definitely recommend it. The value is amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!